Part 3. Alright, so I was just about saying in part 2 that having reinstalled the clamps and all the holes on the new thermostat for my 2010 Ford Focus, I think I will use this as a replacement for the bypass. Why? It was a little bit challenging to get it off, right? And because the bottom, the clamp, the portion that you have to grip with your pliers, or preferably a vice grip, is on the lower side. It's going to be difficult to realign it. So I think this will work perfectly. I haven't had any issues with these in the past. I'll just put this on over. Of course, this can be screwed right out, and I'll use this to re-secure this portion here, and this should be easy for future removal where this is concerned. All right, so there you have it. And if you're watching this video, do refer to part 2 and part 1, which were done earlier, to show how I successfully removed this guy from my 2010 Ford Focus without having to remove my fan shoulder, only my splash guard from below, and pretty much my overflow hose there, as you can see. Well, my reservoir cooling tank, as you can see there, and I was able to just pull it up and out here. So refer to part 1 and part 2 for further details in that regard. Thank you. Alright, so I thought the best way to finish up my video after having done the thermostat replacement is to show a video of me driving again at 100 or more or less, and my temperature gauge. So for the next 2 minutes you're going to watch my temperature gauge. I'm cruising, and I'm on my return leg. I'm about 25 kilometers drive, and my temperature gauge has remained stable for the entire time, and that's pretty much where it should be at all times. So watch for the next 30 seconds, minute and a half or so, and see what happens. Keep an eye on my speed meter to see exactly what's going on there. Keep in mind I'm driving, so I'm not able to do certain things as much as I would love to. Vehicles are passing me and all of that. Hopefully nobody is taking note and taking a pic. So indeed it was my thermostat that was stuck open. I am having warm air coming out of my heaters now, my vents, and no further issues where the temperature dropping and all of that is concerned. If you notice, my temperature has been constant since I've been driving. I have just about 20 seconds left on this video. Enjoy, and thanks again for tuning in.